So I'm proud to present our collaboration with Sailing Plus, and Gulf Yacht Brokers is opening an office in Doha.
اللوبي الأسمر تاور Sailing Plus office Doha West Bay. This is the lobby of our office. We are on the 22nd floor. Hello.
Hi.
We are present throughout the Western and Eastern Mediterranean, and we specialise in the sale of luxury and super yachts across the world. So if you are looking for a boat, or if you have a yacht to sell, please contact us and we'd be delighted to discuss conditions with you. Thank you.